Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. We're diving into the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450, a motocross beast built for power, agility, and championship-winning performance. Let's break down what makes this dirt bike a serious contender on the track. Engine and performance. The 2025 RM-Z450 continues Suzuki's legacy of delivering raw, race-ready power. Equipped with a 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, DOHC single-cylinder engine, this bike delivers instant throttle response and a strong low-end punch. The revised fuel injection system and optimized ignition timing provide smoother power delivery, making it easier to control through tight corners and aggressive jumps. Chassis and suspension. Suzuki has fine-tuned the RM-Z450's aluminum twin-spar frame to enhance stability and handling. The bike's Showa suspension system offers improved damping for better control over rough terrain, while the updated swing arm geometry provides enhanced traction on loose dirt. Whether you're launching off a jump or carving through ruts, the 2025 RM-Z450 stays planted and responsive. Electronics and features. The Suzuki Holeshot Assist Control, S-HAC, remains a game-changer, giving riders a competitive edge off the starting gate. The advanced traction management system adjusts power delivery based on track conditions, ensuring maximum grip and acceleration. The revised ECU mapping further refines power output for smoother handling in all riding scenarios. Braking and tires. Stopping power is just as crucial as acceleration, and Suzuki has upgraded the front and rear braking system for better bite and modulation. The Dunlop Geomax MX-33 tires provide superior traction and control, making sure you stay in command no matter how challenging the track gets. Final thoughts. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 is a motocross weapon built for serious riders. With a powerful engine, race-tuned suspension, and cutting-edge electronics, it's a bike that's ready to dominate the dirt. Is this the best RM-Z450 yet? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Stay fast, stay fearless, and we'll catch you in the next one.